A T-Mobile Hotspot allows your laptop to connect to the internet using T-Mobile's cellular network, acting like a portable router. To use a T-Mobile Hotspot, you need a T-Mobile SIM card, active data plan, and compatible hotspot device. Your laptop should have Wi-Fi, USB port, or Bluetooth enabled. There are three main ways to connect. Wi-Fi is the most common, offering wireless connectivity within 50 to 100 feet. USB provides a direct wired connection for faster and more stable speeds, and might even charge your laptop. Bluetooth is a short-range, low-power option with speeds up to 10 megabytes per sec, good for conserving battery. Keep your hotspot firmware updated for security and performance. Depending on your T-Mobile plan, you may experience deprioritization after using around 50 gigabytes of data. To connect via Wi-Fi, power on your hotspot and find its network name on your laptop's Wi-Fi list. Enter the password usually found on the hotspot device. For USB connection, connect the hotspot to your laptop using a USB cable. Drivers should install automatically on Windows or Mac. If prompted, follow the on-screen instructions. For Bluetooth, pair the hotspot with your laptop in the Bluetooth settings. Then, enable tethering or the personal hotspot option on your laptop. If you have connection problems, ensure you have a strong signal. If issues continue, reset the password, restart both your laptop and hotspot. For persistent issues, contact T-Mobile support by dialing 611. Using a USB connection typically allows speeds of up to 1.2 gigabits or even higher and provides a more stable connection while also charging the device. Wi-Fi connection may allow speeds of up to 800 megabits per second, depending on conditions.